Hi, Epstein with your Morning Flash Update. This update is for the morning as we're here now on Friday, the 10th of May, 2024, 8:25 a.m. Central Time. Another update in the markets, led again by the Dow, which has been coming up rather dramatically. I think it's 8 days in a row now that this market's higher. You can see that you're also up in the energies. I put out yesterday a special written update, just commentary, at about 12:30, alerting my clientele that what was going to go on was Israel was going to go it alone. They were encircling and cutting off Rafah in half with their tanks, and it was just a matter of when they get the go-ahead now, and the war is going to go to another level. The United States today is confirming that 100,000 people have moved out of the area, or approximately that, where Israel had dropped leaflets, so that's very important. But my point with all this is it fuel-fired the metal markets. The copper market's moving up as we're waiting on China's numbers on CPI, productivity, other areas that are coming out tomorrow, so be ready for that. The note and bond market, well, you're going to go now into the period where we get PPI on Tuesday, CPI on Wednesday. Now, bad news is good news. So that's what yesterday was. Yesterday we saw the jobless claims. Now, is good news going to be good news for the market? In other words, falling PPI, falling CPI, will that kick stocks up, or does that take them down as the market gets fickle again? In order to make a move that makes sense, if this market's going to go higher, the target is obviously the all-time highs. They're right in front of us. So that's what you're dealing with in these markets right now. In the grains today at 11:30, we're going to get the USDA WASDE report, the supply-demand report, and it could move the markets. University of Michigan's preliminary May consumer sentiment numbers at 9. Treasury Department releases the April outlays and receipts. Now remember, the receipts will be big in April because you get tax money, so it'll overwhelm and you'll say, look at how great the U.S. is doing. It's an April and May number. The numbers, the receipts drift in then. And then after that, you go back to normal. Then we have Fed President Kashari, Goolsbee, and I understand Michelle Bowman is also speaking today. So we have quite a few of the Fed speakers out there that are going to move along. So I'm looking for these markets to get rather exciting. And I think that, what you want to do is take advantage of the host of free offers we have. Now, we've created this so that you can see that as you come in and you look at this ad, you can click it, pause it at any time, you can see what it is. But this is what's on your computer screen if you go to iraepstein.com and to the top left, free offers. And this is just how it looks. I've just taken these out to explain how they are. The reason that you get the blue bars, if you click them, it goes into a free card for you. And from there, we get it. I will then pass it out to my brokers. They send out to you everything that you're requesting, and you typically get it within 2 business days, sometimes the same day that you do it. It depends the time that I look at how many came in and pass them out. You get our Pivot Point series, the Arun indicator, the free video series that go with it, charting software to go with things, a sample of what we do each day. You can get my sample of my products. All this is there for you. You choose what you want, and we help you tailor just what you'd even want there, along with the More Research Center seasonal studies, something I use all the time. So how do you get this? As I said, you click it. Then you'll come down to the bottom of the page. You fill in your name, your email address. If you have a note for us, put it right in there. Hit send. End of discussion. It's that fast. You can also move your cursor up to the top here at any point to the free offers. It'll take you right there. I'm Ira. You have yourselves a great weekend. I will see you over the weekend with our weekend wrap-ups, where I'll do the weekly charts and try to give you an idea of the bigger picture rather than the day-to-day picture. Have a great trading day.